What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be reviewing this Coolmusic dm-80 drum amplifier, so let's get started. So let's start off with having a look at the back here. This is pretty simple to use, so you have two wired line inputs, one labeled drum, one labeled line. They can be used interchangeably. If you'd like to connect something like a bass guitar or a microphone to this, you do need a preamp. You can see you do have separate controls for the drum and line. You have 3 tone controls for low frequencies, mid frequencies, and high frequencies. I found you pretty much need to turn down the high frequencies because the tweeter is pretty overpowering. You also have a line out if you wanted to connect this to other speakers. These would probably make some pretty good studio monitors. You have a USB input, so if you put music on a USB, it could play that, as well as Bluetooth, and you can use this knob here to control that. You have a fused IEC and a on-off switch. Having a look at the front, you can see this pretty cool metal grill, and behind it is around a 10-inch woofer and a 3-inch tweeter. That totally wasn't an excuse to use my new Milwaukee tape measure. We're going to be tearing this thing down later in the video. I also forgot to mention that on the back you have handles to pick up the unit. The cabinet seems to be made out of a pretty thick plastic. It's got this pretty cool coating on it. So that was an overview of the unit. Now we're going to do a sound test. So basically I'm going to set up a microphone in front of this thing. And then I'm going to play music through it. And I'm also going to play drums through it. And you can hear how it sounds. Now it's probably not going to be very accurate. Basically what I have is a cheap USB-C microphone. And then I ran it to that computer. And then that recorded it. And that's the sound I'm going to put in. I do that because the phone microphone I found tends to not really distort, but it makes it not sound as natural as it does in real life. This recording still isn't 100% natural, but it's much more accurate than using my phone mic. Alright, next we're going to tear down this unit. Now, I actually haven't taken this apart myself, so I don't really know what's in here. It sounds really good for what it is, though. So that's holding on the grill. I'm pretty sure they're all identical. Oh, it looks like wood, actually. You know what? That might be wood. So I've removed all the screws on the grill here. It should just slide off. Oh yeah. There we go. Take a look at it without the grill. This front, it's not real wood. It looks like just that squished cardboard crap. We have... That port is actually real, and that does actually help with the bass quite a bit. I'm now going to take this subwoofer out of the cabinet so we can hopefully see the amplifier and the crossover circuitry, as well as the back of this woofer. Alright, Now for the moment of truth. Let's see what's back there. I think we might need to tilt it forward. Ooh. Oh, hey, that's actually not bad. Huh, I expected it to be a lot worse. That's a pretty nice woofer. Let me see if I can get it out of the cabinet here, if they made the wires long enough. That's pretty nice, actually. I mean, like I said, for what it is, really. I mean, this is a pretty cheap drum amp, and that's a pretty nice woofer they put in there. Actually, it looks a lot like the frame on my Rockville subwoofers, except the magnet is a bit bigger on my Rockville subwoofers. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up. Let's take a little look inside here. We have this cheap Chinese transformer, and there's your amplifier right there. That's an 80-watt amplifier. It's not real wood, it's this like squished cardboard crap, but it feels like plastic, which is kind of a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back together now. So now would I recommend you buy this? Absolutely yes. If you're looking for a beginner amplifier and you don't want to completely spend all your money, then this is a great budget amplifier. It gets plenty loud, it does not distort, and with the right EQ settings, it can sound pretty nice. I bought this because I am starting a band. Actually, I recently just bought that SM57 dynamic microphone. I still have a ways to go in terms of buying equipment before we're fully there. But this amplifier is just really nice. I like it a lot. I like how it has Bluetooth on it. You can use it for more than drums. You can connect a keyboard or, like I said, I've heard these make pretty good bass amps, except you do need a preamp if you want to connect anything like a bass guitar or a microphone. The Bluetooth on it works alright. There's some interference. I should probably flip it over so you guys can see it normally. Yeah, the Bluetooth works alright. There's some interference with it, I found. But yeah, it does work, and the range is pretty good. When you're using this MP3 section, these knobs do not apply to the EQ on this. Sort of similar to how that has its own MP3 section. So yeah, that's about it. Also, if you're a frequent viewer of my channel, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as frequently. School started a few months ago and I've been really busy with that. Alright, see you guys.
I'll be vibing finals. Sparkles and champagne. VIP my section, royalty looking sex, and you'll know that be my baby.